Hi there, these are the newly launched Realme Buds Air 8 and you must stop watching this video and go buy it right now. Trust me, it's that good for the price. I'm actually surprised why they call this the Air because they have features most pro earphones with almost 3 times the price don't offer. Brace yourself. It comes with dual driver support, then you also get LHDC, high-res audio support, triple device connectivity support so you can connect 3 devices at the same time. Then there's live AI translation, adaptive smart ANC support, and it's priced at just $3,599. Very interesting pricing. Now, I've been using the Air 8 for over a week. Let me share everything in detail so you can ultimately decide you should buy the Realme Buds Air 8 or not. Let's start with a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging. You can see the image of the buds right here. They're made in India. They come with LHDC support. Some key features are mentioned on the side, but we'll cover them further in this video. Towards the back, you can see the manufacturing details and the MRP of $5,299. But don't worry, you can get them for a lot less. So without further ado, let's quickly open them up. So inside we have the Realme Buds Air 8, 2 extra pair of ear tips of different sizes, and a user guide in English. So there's no charging cable included in the box, which I think is fine. Most of us are anyway going to use a phone's charging cable. Alright, let's have a closer look at the build and design. First, we'll get rid of this protection here. Oh wow, that looks really nice. A departure from its previous designs. It's got a more boxy design this time. Very compact, easily fits in your palm. This is the master grey color. Very nice, subtle and classy. Realme branding on the side here actually, rather than in the center. I like that touch. Also, it has this nice cloth-like material on the top. More velvety, like vegan leather. Very soft to touch. Feels super premium. Very well built, polycarbonate built here. On the top you can spot the USB-C port. At the bottom is an LED light which will show you the charging. Let's see if you can open this case with one hand. Oh wow, there you go. So you can spot the earbuds inside. Very nice. It's also got a solid hinge here. Oh, that's nice. Okay, let's remove the earbuds and have a closer look. And here are the earbuds themselves. So they come with the buds design, grey color, look very nice. These are the left ones. You can spot the L here, and this is for the right. You can spot the R here. You can spot the charging terminals. Each earphone comes with 3 microphones, so they're going to be really good for phone calls and noise cancellation. Also, the other thing to notice is that the frame and body is mostly glossy on the inside, while the outer side, though it's flat, comes with a matte finish. So when you tap on it, it won't attract any fingerprint or smudges. Overall, the build quality and design are top notch. The earbuds come with IP50 fire rating, so mild splashes and sweat should be fine. But remember, the case doesn't, so keep that dry and safe. Also, we get Bluetooth 5.4, so longer battery life with more stable connectivity. When it comes to codec support, we get SPC, AC along with LHDC codec. Now this is very similar to LDAC, both are low latency audio codecs for better audio fidelity. We'll talk about the experience later. Then Google Fast Pairing is available. Simply open the lid and you'll see a pairing pop up on your Android phone. Click to pair. There you go. Once done, download the Realme Link companion app from the App Store or Play Store and the Air 8 should show up. There might also be a software update, so make sure you do it right away. More on the app later. Coming to the fit and comfort. Well, as you can see, I'm currently wearing both and they snug in really nicely, blocking most of the passive sound. Make sure you wear the right size of ear tips for that perfect fit. Also run the fit test from the app. It'll analyze it by running some music and will give you the results. There you go, perfect fit. Then we tried shaking our head. I mean, chakkar aa jayenge, but clearly they're not going to fall off. They get a really good grip in your ear. Now, let's talk about the sound. Well, first you need to know that they come with premium dual drivers in each earbud, 11mm woofers and 6mm tweeters. Now, what this essentially does is sound separation for better audio fidelity. Just like any home theater system, different speakers for highs, for vocals, and there's always a subwoofer for bass. Coming back to the sound. So the experience would depend upon the sound profile you would choose from the app, starting with nature balance. Now, as the name says, it's balanced. You can feel the bass, but it doesn't overpower the track. Also, instrument separation here is super impressive. The clarity is simply phenomenal. Frankly, it's at par with earbuds that are priced 2 to 3 times higher. It's that good. Then there's clear vocals. Now, this is ideal while watching videos or listening to podcasts. It enhances the voice for you to hear everything more clearly. Then my favorite, clear bass. Now, as the name says, it's slightly bassy, but it doesn't muffle the vocals and the music. It's a perfect blend for me. The audio sounds rich and crisp. And yes, for bass fans, there's bass boost. Of course, this is super bassy, where you can feel the deep punch, but I did feel there was slight distortion at high volume, and also the clarity was lost, but maybe bass fans might still love it. And of course, you can custom set the equalizer as per your preference. Then there's also dynamic audio, where you can fine tune the audio even further. It does make a difference, but if this is something you're not sure about, it's best left untouched. Alright, let's talk about the audio fidelity with LHDC support, and you can toggle this on from the app. Now, higher sampling rate and faster transfer speeds, the audio quality is enhanced, but it's not very drastic. It's something you can check out. Also remember that turning this on will impact your battery life, so use this only if necessary. Then there's also spatial audio. Now this is a technology that creates that three-dimensional sound field. It feels like the sound is coming from different directions and distances. It's very immersive, especially when you're watching an action movie. Definitely worth checking out. Alright, let's talk about ANC. So Realme claims 55 decibels active noise cancellation. First we turned on ANC from the app, and by default it's set to smart, where it increases or decreases the ANC as per the sound around you. Surely you can manually set the levels of ANC as well, max, moderate, mild. Now, how was the experience? Well, these earbuds cancel out almost 80 to 90% of the sound around you. Most white noise simply disappears, especially when you are on a crowded space like a mall or on a crowded street. Just enjoy crystal clear music without any disturbances from the outside world. However, there was a slight vacuum effect when ANC is set to max, which I'm not a fan of, but you can still adjust the level manually. Overall, I'd say ANC on the Air 8 is very impressive. You can also enable transparency mode, where you can be more aware of your surroundings. You can also turn on enhanced voice. So it's kind of helpful when you want to have a conversation while still wearing the earphones. Trust me, it works flawlessly. Then we also tested these for phone calls. Time for a quick demo. So the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the Realme Buds Air 8. This is how you would sound to the other person when on a call. Each earbud comes with 3 microphones, which cancels out all the external noise, making it ideal for calls indoors as well as outdoors. However, you guys are the best judge. Write down in the comments and share your feedback with us. Then we also get tap gestures to control the audio. You can change tracks, pause play the music, and even adjust the volume. Yes, you can custom set each gesture of each earbud separately from the companion app. Always handy. The Buds Air 8 come with triple device connectivity support. Now, as you can see here in the app, I've connected 3 phones at the same time. This is such a game changer. Now I can connect my laptop, my tablet, and my phone all together to the Buds Air 8 at the same time. However, keep in mind when you connect multiple devices, it will take a toll on your battery life. These earbuds also come with AI translate feature. When you come in here, there's face-to-face translator and there's live translator. We'll start with face-to-face. So here you can actually say in one language and the other person can hear and communicate in the other language. We have chosen Hindi here and English here. So as I press this, what's the weather in Mumbai?
मुंबई में मौसम कैसा है?
So it says Mumbai mein mausam kaisa hai. So similarly, you can translate one-on-one here, and there are multiple languages that you can choose. There's English, there's Korean, there's German, there's Italian, Russian, Arabic. Huge collection of languages that you can choose from here. So if you're traveling around the globe, this feature is going to be very handy. Then we also have live translator. So suppose you are somewhere and you want to communicate and you want to say a line. So suppose in English or Hindi. So I'm saying this again. Let's go for a drive today. So in my earphones, it actually gave me an answer. Chalo, aaj drive pe chalte hain. So similarly, if you are communicating wearing these earbuds, you can actually have live translation right here, which is really, really cool. When it comes to latency, Realme claims 45 milliseconds, which is really good. We turned on game mode from the app. It drastically reduces latency and you can easily play games without any audio delay. Trust me, it actually felt as good as wired audio. Similarly, while watching movies, no delay was noticed at all. Perfect lip sync, and it's easily recommended to be worn for your long flights while watching movies. Let's have a quick look at the Realme Link companion app. So here you can see Realme Buds Air 8. If you click on it, you can go further in. You can see the image of the earbuds. You can see the battery percentage. You can turn on noise cancellation from here, transparency mode from here, equalizer, 4 preset equalizers. You can also custom set the equalizer as well, spatial audio, volume enhancer, high definition sound for LHDC 5.0 codec. Then you have dynamic audio support, AI translate, ask AI, game mode can be toggled on and off from here, mindflow mode where you can play those background music. Then in personalization, you can custom set the buttons. Then you have triple device connectivity support, then auto play pause, auto answer, earbuds fit test, security find my earbuds, and that's it. Overall, it's really simple and easy to use. Coming to the battery. So the case comes with a huge 530 mAh battery, while each earbud comes with 62 mAh battery. Now this provides about 8 hours of music playback on a single charge with ANC, and without ANC it's an astounding 10 to 11 hours. Plus with the case you can get about 42 to 45 hours, and this is in real world scenario with ANC. I think it's very impressive. Sadly there's no wireless charging here and I can live with it. Ab kya bacche ki jaan loge? Alright, final thoughts. So Realme has truly excelled when it comes to earbuds, their neck bands lately, and the Air8 is just another feather on their cap. The sound quality is just stellar. Reliable adaptive ANC. You get triple device connectivity support with solid battery life. These are probably the best earbuds you can get in this segment. The Realme Buds Air 8 can be bought for just $3,599. However, remember this is just an introductory offer, so grab it right away. It goes on sale on 16th of January on Amazon.in, available in 3 colors, gold, black and purple. I'll share the links of all below in the description. If you'd like to buy one or two, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.